When it comes to maintaining your shell and tube, plate and frame, and all types of heat exchangers, making a safe, reliable, and productive choice is essential. That's where Offsite cleaning services from GreenCo Global Partners comes in, a choice that ensures safety, augments productivity, and guarantees reliability. Opting for off-site cleaning is not just a smart financial move, it's a stride towards a greener future, effectively reducing your operation's carbon footprint. With a single transparent price, you cover everything from cleaning to transportation, saying goodbye to the complexity of managing material handling and other hidden costs that come with on-site operations, including the heightened liability of contractors. Our comprehensive service goes beyond mere cleaning. We ensure the optimum functionality of your heat exchangers while mitigating unexpected delays due to weather or accidents, reducing downtime significantly. Our expert team adeptly handles even the most heavily fouled equipment, offering repairs as needed without accruing additional on-site costs. Join us in working together for a greener future, a future where your business thrives on the pillars of safety, productivity, and reliability with reduced liability and a smaller carbon footprint. Choose GreenCo Global Partners for streamlined, cost-effective, off-site heat exchanger cleaning solutions, championing not just the longevity and efficiency of your equipment, but nurturing a sustainable business environment. Ready to take the eco-friendly leap with a trusted partner? Reach out to us at sales@4greenco.com or call 409-333-1088 today. GreenCo Global Partners, your partner in off-site heat exchanger cleaning excellence.